toward the knee. And this is just kind of like smoothing out the fascia like a butter knife would smooth out butter, so that it gets rid of the dimply, unhealthy fascia. And this is not like a one-time fix it trick. This takes some time to do. It's called fascia reclamation, because you got to work on it. You got to work on it. So you can do that for the inner thighs as well. Same exact basic sequence. You can also do this specifically right here on these side points, where I was talking about the spare tire area, right? And you also have your psoas muscle you can get into with that as well. So first I'm lubing it all up with some kind of oil so that there's no friction. And then I'm just gonna find my obliques. The obliques are from the rib cage, the bottom of the rib cage to the top of the pelvis. And I'm just gonna go across there and try to find and soften up that muscle mass. And then I'm gonna just kind of find that spare tire, scrub it, and then if I want to, I can dip down in there and kind of break it up right around the pelvic crest. Right? Separating it out a little bit. It's kind of just something that you eventually you can kind of feel it and intuit it. And then I just switch back and forth between which hand makes it the most convenient. And then you want to go down along the psoas area. And then you can also tip and go down into the psoas around the iliac crest.